Now, let us understand what do common factors mean. Observe here common factors of two or more numbers are the numbers that divide each of them exactly. Got it? Example 1. Common factors of 4 and 8. We know that common factors of 4 and 8 are 1, 2 and 4. This means that 1, 2 and 4 each divide both 4 and 8 exactly. You can check the exact division shown here. Example 2. Common factors of 5 and 25. We know that common factors of 5 and 25 are 1 and 5. This means that 1 and 5 each divide both 5 and 25 exactly. Got it? You can refer the exact division shown here. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.